Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. In today's video, we are cutting through the noise to explain exactly how to get that coveted blue checkmark, the verified badge on Instagram for free. First, let's clarify what that verified badge actually signifies. Some verified accounts are owned by a notable person, brand, or entity, while others are subscribed to Meta Verified. Instagram confirms that verified badges mean an account has been verified based on their activity across our products and information or documents they provide. It's important to understand the distinction. Meta Verified is a paid subscription that comes with features like the verified badge, account support, impersonation protection, and more. While Meta Verified offers a straightforward path, our focus today is the free route. First, be authentic. This represents a real person, registered business, or entity. It should also be unique, represent the unique presence of the person or business. Only one account per person or business may be verified, with exceptions for language specific accounts. We don't verify general interest accounts. It should also be complete. Your account must be public and have a bio, profile photo, and be active when you apply. It should also be notable. Your account must represent a well known, highly searched for person, brand, or entity. We review accounts that are featured in multiple news sources and we don't consider paid or sponsored media content as sources for review. These criteria are fundamental and Instagram takes them very seriously. They are looking for genuine public figures, celebrities, or established brands with verifiable news coverage, not just paid promotion. Now, you might be thinking, where do I even apply? Because Instagram wants to encourage paid verification, they have made this free application form a bit tricky to locate. But don't worry, we'll get you directly into it. Head into your Instagram account. Once there, tap the three bars in the top right corner of your profile. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and find Business Tools and Controls. Within this section, scroll further until you see Request Verification. This will lead you directly to the application form. You'll need to provide all the requested information explaining why you are notable enough to be verified and why your account meets these strict criteria. This includes providing legitimate links to multiple news features where your brand or public figure status has been genuinely covered. Once you have meticulously filled everything out, you can submit it to Instagram. A reviewer will manually assess your application and make a decision. Before you even think about applying, keep these critical notes from Instagram in mind. Note, make sure your username is what you would like it to be before you apply for a verified badge. Once verified, you may not change the username in your account. This is a crucial point, so ensure your username is exactly as you want it. If you receive a verified badge using false or misleading information during the verification process, we will remove your verified badge and may take additional action to disable your account. Authenticity is key here. And finally, for your account security, if your account is verified by Instagram for notability, you may want to enable additional security tools like two-factor authentication. Learn about other security tips on Instagram. Getting verified for free is still completely possible, but it's genuinely challenging. Instagram's standards are high, focusing on legitimate notability. Don't be discouraged if you are rejected. It's a common outcome ever for well known figures. It simply means you might not yet meet their very specific criteria for free verification. We hope this comprehensive explanation has shed light on the free Instagram verification process and what it truly takes. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.